In our next example, what we're going to do is demonstrate how to show alert messages on the page. So these are items that would typically show up on the top of the page on a page refresh that lets a user know that they performed a certain action or to give them a particular warning. So I'm going to go ahead and jump to the module directory and go ahead and open up step 15, which is called Ajax status messages, and open that up. Go ahead and copy the entire code and paste it over the code that's currently in your interact.module file and save it. This file is identical to our previous one, except we've added these two new lines here. Typically, when we want to display a message to the user, we use a utility function called Drupal set message, and that's exactly what we're going to do here. We're passing it the text you just performed an Ajax reload. But by default, this text won't display on the page, so we need to render that when we load the new Ajax content. And we do that by adding a command, and what we're going to do is prepend this content to our change.me item, which is where our new content will display. What we're doing is running Ajax command prepend on change.me, and then we're passing it the rendered HTML by running theme status messages. And what this will do is grab all of the status messages that have been added to the queue and render them in some HTML. And then this will get passed in and then prepended to the content. Now again, this is a command that exists in that ajax.inc file, and it allows us to run the jQuery prepend command. Nothing else has changed here, so let's go ahead and save this and jump back to our page and refresh it. Okay, let's go ahead and click the link. We have our example code from before causing this alert and the style change on the page. I'm going to go ahead and click OK. And then down here, we have our status message rendered at the top of our new content, which is exactly what we wanted to do.